Good morning, welcome to Bitcoin Bounce. My name is Joseph and today I'm here with Dion and we are looking at a video of Steve from Crypto Crew University where he talks about the CM Williams VIX Fix indicator. Now Dion, have you ever heard of that CM Williams VIX Fix indicator?
No, Joseph, I don't know that one.
So what it is, it prints bars when it thinks that Bitcoin is at the bottom of the market, or when a coin is about to turn, then it will print a bar. Now what's interesting, in 2015, 2018, it printed every time 4 bars. I think there's a few times where it printed 4 bars every time before a massive long run to the upside. And so June, July, August, September, it printed 4 bars and it kind of gave us an indication now it's ready for a big up run. And now we had this big drop. So now we got 6 bars on the CM Williams VIX Fix, which is unprecedented. It has never happened on Bitcoin. But it also shows you how much the market is being manipulated with this abnormal circumstances with Luna falling, and then again with the FTX crash. But in any case, it's busy printing its 6 candle, and the expectation is now for it. If we have a no candle print over this next month, then possibly that's the indication that the market is going to go upwards. So Dion, what do you think? I hear Elon Musk says he thinks the bottom is $14,500 on Bitcoin, and he reckons if it doesn't surpass it, he's going to put a lot of money into Bitcoin. So what do you think?
Yeah, I kind of agree with that. I think there could be one more small pullback for Bitcoin. The next CPI news is coming out in December now, in 2 weeks' time, and that we think is going to drop Bitcoin a little bit. So I kind of agree with Elon. We could still go a little bit lower at the moment.
Okay, awesome. So guys, let's jump in and listen to Steve. So what Steve actually says, he says this drop that we have now is actually the double bottom for the next run, and he actually shows there was a few times in Bitcoin where it had this double bottom where the second bottom was lower than the first one. So this might possibly be the double bottom for a big run to the upside.
Let's get into this chart. Down at the bottom, we have the CM Williams VIX Fix. You can go over here to your indicators tab and you can get it absolutely free. This is not my custom indicator, but it's very, very critical to market bottoms. What you can see is take a mental screenshot of what we've been doing in 2022. Now we're going to take it back to 2015. 2015, we started printing these green bars, calling for the market bottom to be complete. Okay, so what this did was this came after our first bottom. This was our textbook double bottom. And what we started doing was printing these green bars that said, hey, the market is at a bottom. It's really time to pick up some Bitcoin. Don't sleep on it. And we printed 4 nice bars. Well, what we noticed is that when we stopped printing bars, that was literally the end of the bear market. When we stopped printing bars, okay? You can see it right here on the chart. Our last bar was this candle, and you can see what happened after that candle was our legendary bull run, right? So towards the latter part of that bear market, we started printing these saying, hey, this is a really, really, really good time to buy. And then price exploded to the upside. Now we go to 2018 and we started printing these green bars at our market bottom. And when we stopped printing these green bars, you can see what happened to price. Price was down here. Once we stopped print, we didn't print another one. Once we stopped printing, price rose dramatically, right? This was the market bottom that we called in 2018 using the same charts that we use now. We actually called a legendary rally right in here. You can go back and watch that video. Everyone tried to spread a lot of hate because they didn't think we were going to have a legendary rally. And then we called the market top here back with the Gravestone Doji. But again, this stopped printing these green bars right at the point where price went up. Why is that interesting? Well, first and foremost, the 2015 cycle printed 4 bars. The 2018 cycle printed 4 bars. Right now, we're already at 6 bars. We are already at 6 bars. Bitcoin just broke this record. It's never had 6 bars. Normally it's in that 4 bar category, but you can see we started printing the bars at the 17.5 bottom, which this could still be our technical double bottom. We still have to wait. We'll get in some of the charts in a moment. But again, we've got 6 of these, okay? And when it stops printing these green bars, that's when the bear market starts to turn towards this beginning, the very, very beginning of the bull market. And you can just take all of our data points that we just discussed. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to give my opinion on this in a moment. I need to look at some other charts with you so that we have a full picture of what's happening. Right now, the bears are in full control, and they've been in full control this entire year. When the red line is on top, the price goes down. When the green line is on top, price goes up. It's very simple. This is the ADX in DI. We're on the 3-day chart, and you can see what's happened the last couple years. We've had a couple points of green back in 2021, and our last point of green was this little rally from about 30K to 48K. That was the only point in 2022 which the bulls were in control. The rest of the time, the bears have been in control, and right now they have a pretty hefty hold, a stranglehold on the market. You can see how wide the mouth is open. You can see back here in 2022 when we had that wide mouth open, that led to further collapse. Okay, what we are seeing now is signs of the mouth wide open. And you can see this is all I want for Christmas is our MACD cross. Okay, we're gonna have our MACD cross hopefully in the next 2 months. Okay, so I can get my Christmas present. But again, right now, if you look at the charts and you look at the history of the MACD on the 12th day, there are no false signals, and it crosses every single bear market and usually spells the end of that bear market. Okay, and we want to have that cross. In 2015 we had that cross somewhere in the middle, and we're looking to have that cross. You can see in 2018 we had that cross, in 2020 we had that cross. Every single time we have it during the bear market, and we're very, very close to a cross at the moment, and it's going to be some time. Okay, we just had some bearishness come into the market, so I don't anticipate us having this cross within the next week, but we'll have to look at hopefully by Christmas time having the cross. I'll keep you up to date. Now, our triangle, our descending triangle here, again, what we were looking at is confirmation. We had this breakout candle here, and we're trying to have our confirmation candle, but this was a false breakout. A lot of patterns, if you look at chart patterns and you study chart patterns, you never want to trade inside of the pattern. You always want to trade on confirmations of the pattern, and you have to watch out for false breakouts that happen all the time. This could be a false breakdown. We're still not sure yet if this is still really early days of this, but this was our breakdown candle, and we are in the midst of our confirmation candle. We're still many days away from that printing, but we'll keep you up to date on that as well. And you can, and as you know, our NVT HV, this is our custom indicator, popped its head white above here, and we said volatility is coming. This was the calm before the storm. You have to watch the color, and just on cue we came out in white and we crashed 27%, and we're still white. Okay, if you want this thing to turn bullish, you're going to want this to flip to red, which it has not. So now let's get back to this one, the CM Williams VIX fix. So what do we think is going to happen? Well, Bitcoin has already set the record. We're at 6 bars already, and we know that once we stop printing bars, that's when the market turns from the bear market and starts turning into the beginning of the next bull cycle. So we're at 6 bars now. How many bars do you think it's going to take to really turn this thing around? We're going to print another bar at the end of the month, and we're going to see at the end of the month. We're going to come together and look at the other price targets that we're looking at too with our monthly close, and we're going to see, what is Bitcoin doing? Are we going to print another one of these green bars saying that the bear market is still going to continue, or are we not going to print a bar and shock the world?
Awesome, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to be back again on Monday. We're going to look at Bitcoin and possible trades. I want to recommend just go back in our channel. Earlier today, we posted a video about a trading signal on Chili's. And Dion also gave us an excellent analysis on Bitcoin. So please check it out. Have a fabulous weekend. See you on Monday.
You guys enjoy your weekend. See you Monday. Cheers.